Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, we have learned about rows and column layout. One more thing we have here, we have another widgets we called container. With the help of container, you can design your card also, and you can design whatever you want. Remember that row can be come under container because you see here in this we are touching the layout here with the screen from the left side and right side. Suppose I want to give some margin to this, so it's better to have a container here as a child with the row or column. So expand we are using. So I am in place of expand, I say container now. Container is there. Then in container, I need to put padding. So I say edges inset dot all. Inside this, suppose I say 20 is the padding that I want to give. And control S, you see from the top, bottom, every side, I have the padding of, you see, 20. With the help of container, we can provide this. And suppose it's a column now like this, and in a column we are using the information like this, and we have space between. So I remove this, I say space evenly I want to pass, and press enter, and you see that center is not working properly here because I have removed the expanded. So for that, what I do, each and every text I put under the container and try to make it the shape of card. So this text, I say container. Under this container, I want to put this text. Cut this, paste this like that. And I have child here. So at the child, I put this one. And here I say padding. Again edges, inset, dot all. And here I put 10. Same I put here. This is, and I say alignment, and alignment is, I say alignment dot center comma, save this. You see automatically they are coming in this to the center because of this container. Again I put this also in the container, so I copy this and replace this also like this, and I will put here second. Again I just select this and put this also, and I say third. Save this. So all I have under the container. Now I set margin, padding, everything. So first I set to this, I say margin. Again I say edges dot all, I say 5. Okay. Then I say after this, I say width. Width I say, in place of width I say height. Height suppose I say 300 like this, and same I put here also, in these also like that and like that. Paste this, and you see that it going outside of the screen. So I say height should be 200 and 200 and 200. Save this. Now it is coming. Okay. Now I can provide decoration also. So I say decoration, box decoration. Inside that I say color. So I say colors dot blue. Then I say border radius. Border radius dot circular. I say 10. To this, you see, we have this type of thing. Color we have, border radius we have a container like this. I can have border also. So I say border, and I say border dot all. Under that I can say color. So I say colors dot border color should be white, and I can say width of this border is 4. Save this, and you see border we have. Similarly, this text decoration I can assign here also, no problem. I can assign here also, no problem. Save this. You will see such kind of thing, and we have a gap also of this size. So I say 5 should be the gap, not so much. Save this. Size box, again I say 5 as a size box, you see, and I can remove size box also because container have the margin and padding, so no need of size box now separately. So I remove size box. Save this, and you see I can remove this margin. I have margin also, padding also. So margin I can say 2. It is taking from that point of view. So I say 5. Padding also I take 5. Okay, because I'm using space evenly, that's why it's showing like this. Otherwise everything is okay. I can say center, save this, and you see that automatically they are coming in the center and we have a such kind of container. So with the help of container, you can design your layout whatever you want. We have a separate card also if you want to make card like this, but we have a container to make more customization to the widgets. So that is all about container. More properties are also there with container. One by one we will learn all in next videos. So that's all here in this video. I think you learned something from this video. If you learned something, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.